Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I will be showing you how to add TRC20 address on Trust Wallet. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First, open your Trust Wallet application. Now enter your passcode. Once you logged into your Trust Wallet, then you need to click on Manage Crypto. And from here, you need to search for Tether in the search bar, and after that you need to select a network Tron over the all networks out there. Simply click on, and after that it will automatically add on your home screen. Now here you can see your USDT Tron in the home screen. Simply click on this, and after that click on receive, and here you can see your USDT TRC20 wallet address. You can copy this address or you can share the QR code directly, and that's it. Now you know how to add TRC20 address on Trust Wallet. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related